Watch this video and learn how to draw a red pencil.
Come on kids, let's learn, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hey, hello.
Hello, Artie.
Hello.
Are you happy today?
Artie, very happy.
Are you ready to do a drawing?
Oh, yeah.
What should we draw? Do you have any ideas?
I don't know.
What about if we draw your favorite red pencil?
Yeah, okay. Yay! Happy.
Wow, Betty, look at all the little artists that are here today.
Welcome to the show, everyone!
Yay!
Okay, Artie, let's get going. Let's draw a big curved line from the bottom going up to nearly the top of the page.
Isn't art fun?
I think so.
Now on the left side, let's draw a line coming down. Start in the middle somewhere. Now draw another line coming down on top of that, but leave a little space. That's right. We'll have to do a drawing with your red pencil after this.
Yeah. Okay.
I know you love your red pencil. Now, do you see how Artie's drawn 3 little half circles at the bottom? Now let's draw a line at an angle all the way up to those 3 little circles, and another line on the left side coming all the way down to the bottom.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Now connect those 2 lines with a little half circle at the bottom. Let's draw a little line across. That's the lead at the end of the pencil. Well, it doesn't look like a pencil yet. It will though. Let's draw 3 lines along the top. Angled, straight, and angled again. Then just above, do the same 3 lines again. Angle, straight, angle. You know what? Let's do another 3 lines in the middle. Angle, straight, angle. Connect the 3 on the right side. That's it, Artie. And let's draw a line where the angles meet the straight lines. Exactly right. You know what? Let's do 3 more lines again on the top. Angle, straight, angle. Yes, that looks better now.
Watching Artie make art is so exciting.
I love it.
Now Artie's drawing the eraser at the top. A straight line, a curve, and then a straight line coming back down again to the pencil. I think it's time to give our pencil a little face. Let's draw an eye on the left, just a tiny little black circle, and an eye on the right. That's it. Now let's draw 2 little circles around those dots. Here's circle number 1. And then let's do another circle around the right eye. This is going to make our pencil's eyes look bigger and a bit more cartoony. Let's add some eyebrows. Just a little triangle shaded in black. That's all it needs. Let's draw a smiley mouth with a tongue sticking out.
That's fantastic.
Wow!
Add a little triangle on the left and right side of the mouth and then shade it in black. Then it really looks like the tongue is sticking out. Let's draw some straight lines coming from the top all the way down the pencil and stopping at our 3 half circles at the bottom. That's right. All the way, stop. You want a cartoon break? Well, okay, why not? We may as well. Let's have a cartoon break. Artie, let's go find some things that are coloured red.
Artie loves red. Artie sees apple tree. Artie love red apple. Yum. Ooh, red fire hydrant. Ooh, red balloons. Red stop sign.
Well, Artie, did you find lots of red things?
Artie find red.
Let's draw our second line now from the top. Stop at the eye. Don't go through the eye. Stop at the tongue, and then from the bottom of the tongue, all the way to the bottom.
Look at him go, little artists.
He's so good at drawing.
It's time for the arms. A little hook on the end, and then another straight line. We'll draw a half circle at the end. Let's do a thumb and 3 fingers. 1, 2, and 3. Now he has a left hand. Let's draw his left arm. 2 straight lines.
What did you have for breakfast this morning, Mikey?
Betty, I'm a marker, so I had a banana.
Of course you did, Mikey. Betty, everyone knows that marker pens eat bananas for breakfast. Did you like my little joke, Artie?
Yeah.
Well, it's looking pretty finished, Artie. It just needs colour. Are you finished? Are you ready to colour in? Excellent. Then let's colour it in. Great job, Artie. It looks really good. You really captured the red and the pink eraser on the end.
Have fun. See you next time. Marker out.
Well, little artists, thank you for watching. We hope you have an arty day, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.